students, welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will talk about top web designing courses available in India. With the rise in popularity of the digital world, web designing courses have also gained popularity among students. An individual with a flair for programming languages and a passion for website design can pursue any of the undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma and certificate courses in web design. Web designing courses can also be very helpful for graduates who have completed their BTech degree. Let us find out the list of popular web design courses that aspirants often consider to build a successful career in the digital industry. There are plenty of degree, certificate and diploma courses in web design. Students often get inclined towards the short-term programs as they tend to save a lot of time and help an individual in quickly inculcating the right skills and aptitude. Some of the popular programs available in web design are BSc in Multimedia and Web Design, BSc in Web Design, BSc in Graphics and Web Design, Diploma in Web Designing, Diploma in Web Designing and Software Development, Certificate Course in Web Designing, Certificate Course in Internet and Web Designing, Diploma Course in Multimedia and Web Designing, Advanced Diploma in Web Designing, Certificate Course in Multimedia Web Designing, Advanced Diploma in Office Automation and Web Designing, Certificate Course in Office Automation and Web Designing, Advanced Diploma in Multimedia and Web Designing, Certificate Course in Application Software and Web Designing, Advanced Diploma in Internet and Web Designing, MSc in E-Commerce and Web Design, Postgraduate Diploma in Web Designing. The course duration of these programs may range from anywhere between 3 months to 3 years. Next, we'll discuss the eligibility criteria for web designing courses in India. To be eligible for an undergraduate course in web design, it is important to complete class 12th from a recognized board of education. For a postgraduate program, an individual must have passed a bachelor's degree. For a diploma or a certificate course, one needs to have either completed class 10th or class 12th depending on the eligibility criteria of the institute. The minimum aggregate required for pursuing a web design course is around 50% to 60%. Admission to these courses is generally done on the basis of merit or cut-off list released by the college. The better the academic performance of an individual, the higher are his or her chances of getting shortlisted for admission. There are plenty of institutes in India that offer quality education in the web design program. Some of the popular ones are Vogue Institute of Art and Design, Rajshri Group of Institutes, Roots Collegium, Rayat Bhara University, Agrawal Institute of Hotel Management, Sam Global University, GNA University, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Koshish Animation and Media School, Lisa School of Design, Maharshi Markandeshwar University. The entire course fee of these programs may range from anywhere between Rs 3,000 to Rs 2 lakh. After completing a web design course, an individual can look out for career opportunities across various job profiles. Few of the most popular ones are Web Application Developer, Front-End Web Developer, Back-End Web Developer, Web Designer, Design and Layout Analyst, Web Marketing Analyst, Senior Web Analyst. Some of the top recruiting firms or companies that hire a professional web designer are Indo-Asian Buildcon Private Limited, IDC Technologies Solutions India Private Limited, Interface Solutions, HCL, Value Media, Infosys, Mindtech, IIM, Lava, Virtusa, Wipro and Oracle. Web design courses are highly favored by students who want to get a good start in the IT sector and bag high-paying jobs. As a fresher in this field, you can expect a starting salary of Rs 10,000 to Rs 25,000 per month. Professionals who have worked in this field for more than a year can expect a salary of Rs 25,000 to Rs 40,000 per month. The figures may vary from individual to individual and firm to firm. It may also depend on the skills, aptitude, and knowledge of the candidate. This was all about the web designing courses available in India. Stay tuned to College Dekho to get more information about design courses and admissions. You can also dial the helpline number 1800-572-9877 and take admission related assistance from our experts.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.